Hey, everyone. I hope you're doing great. This best Jingyuqin 434 434Mhz checks all the boxes for what I've been looking for. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. Let's start with the craftsmanship. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. But here's the best part, the price. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this is made for you. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. This offer won't last forever. Check the link in the description for all the details. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.